Hey everyone, so welcome back to the channel. For those of you who are new to the channel, my name is Raiz and I am the founder of Weber Tech AI. um, I'm the founder of Weber Tech AI and we specialize in voice agents, however we are not limited to. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys it's a real case voice agent that we built out for a e-com brand over in Dubai. It's one of our clients in Dubai, and I'm going to be showing you guys a tutorial video as to how I actually built this. So in during this year in 2025, you are going to be seeing me explode my channel. There's going to be so much content. There is so much content that's already been shot, that's currently been edited. However, a lot of the videos that I will be posting will be raw. I will not be doing much edits on these videos, as I'd like to give my viewers or the people that are engaging with or my audience, let's say it like that, a better understanding as to how we build these type of stuff. So I do feel that a lot of content creators edit certain things out. You're going to be seeing me make mistakes and correcting those mistakes in a lot of the videos. So you can have a bit more of a personal one-on-one with me. So without further ado, guys, I'm going to jump straight into this video. And this video is, again, like I said, it's based off of a real life use case for an e-com brand that we over at, that's one of our clients over in Dubai. So they specialize in gym wear. I did change the name of the company as I am under an NDA. I can't really speak about all of those type of stuff. I bet you guys do know what an NDA is. So there are three factors to this video. Number one, I'm going to be showing you guys a live demo. Number two, I'm going to be showing you guys a call flow. So I'm going to take you guys step by step through how the call works. And then number three, I'm going to be showing you guys the tutorial. And let's jump straight into the video. Second phase of building out this AI voice agent. So this is how the call flow looks. So guys, keep in mind that this is for a inbound AI support agent. So we have the call that is triggered. This is where the customer is calling into the let's call in the support line. This is then moved on to the next step where the agent is literally taken out of VAPI and it's connected to the call. With the call being connected, this is obviously where the whole conversation happens, and this is where everything comes into play. We then move on to the Q&A from the knowledge base or from the database. So the database could be from an external point as well, and this is obviously where the AI gets all its answers from, or to supply back to the customer. It's then moved on to booking a ticket. So this would only happen once or if the AI agent is not able to obviously come to a resolution for the customer. They will then send a support ticket to the human support agents for them to get back to the customer, as well as they will be sent the customer will then be sent an email of receipt, obviously stating that the support ticket has been booked. And once all of that is done and the call has come to an end, the e-com store as well as the customer will get an end of call report. And guys, so that is exactly how the call flow works. And let's move on to the next step. Final stage of building this AI support agent. So we use VAPI as the voice agents, well, as the voice providers as well. So we connect Twilio, which is the phone number provider. So we take that and we connect it to VAPI, and that is how everything comes into play. So for this agent, I'm not going to be going into certain details like adding Twilio and adding the numbers or adding any tools. I'm just going to do the basic layout of the agent with the prompting and just showing you guys how to actually set up the agent itself. So let's get straight into it. So we move over to you obviously log into your VAPI dashboard. So you go over to assistants, create new assistant. So let's use this one over here. So this one would be the customer support agent. So we will stay on a blank template, guys. We are not going to be using these templates over here. Yeah, so we rather create our own ones. These are not really that great, so let's create your own assistant. And yeah, so let's go up. So we can change the name over here. So let's call this let's say Nemo. Let's call it Nemo. Nemo customer support agent. Cool. So this is Nemo, guys. So the agent we created is Nemo. So yeah, so this is the how the dashboard looks. You have your different models over here. So you have the model. This is the actual brain of the agent. This is where you do your prompting and all of those type of stuff. This is the transcriber. Then we have the voice, we have functions, we have advanced settings, and then we also have the analysis. So I like to start my agent based off from the prompt. So let me go over to the prompt that I have. Just get this done. So I'm just going to copy and paste the prompt that I will pre-built. Let's move it over here. And then what I like to do is I've already built the first message into the prompt itself. Let me just get that, and then I'll just have it copied and pasted. So let's take it over here. Let's add this into there. So that is the prompt into the first section of the agent. And yeah, so we have the provider over here on this side. So we have the OpenAI, which is what we will be using. However, you can use whichever voice provider you would like to use. I'd like to so I like to stick with OpenAI and the one that we normally use. So we use both of these. However, I prefer to use Cluster. It is a bit more expensive. However, I feel it's a bit more accurate. So yeah, that's what we'll be using. And then for the knowledge base, we are going to be using this. I've already preloaded this onto the system itself. And then we have temperature. So the temperature is basically the creativity of your agent. So I like to keep this to a minimum. So I like to keep it between 0.1 or 0.2. For this tutorial, I'll leave it on 0.2. Then we have max token. So this is the max output that the agent will be giving you. And then we have detect emotion. This is crazy to have. This is really awesome to have into your agent as well. So it actually detects how the customers are speaking to you. How the customers are speaking to the voice agent. So we publish that. So after every action that we do on Vappy, we will obviously publish it, just to make sure that we obviously saving everything. So over the transcriptions. So this is where we are going to be using this for configuration of the transcription for the agent. So we're going to be using, as a provider, we're going to be using DeepGram. The language, we're going to keep this English for now. However, you can change the language to whatever you want, whether it's French or Spanish or really literally whatever you want. When it comes to model, we are going to be using model phone call. This is what I like to use. I like to use this model as I feel like it's really good. We obviously then keep publishing, and then we're moving over onto the next step, which is the voice. So with the voice configuration, I love using 11 Labs. It's one of the best voice providers. That's one of the most realistic voice sounding providers. So with the voices, if you move over to voice library, you will have a variety of different voices that you can use. However, for this one, we are going to be using Melissa's voice. And then with the model, we're going to be changing this to 11 Turbo for V2. Office background sounds, we're going to be putting it off. Reason why I put this off is because when we build outbound voice agents, so if we put on the office sound when we build in outbound voice agents and somebody answers the phone, especially if it's a lead generation agent or whatever the case may be, but it is typically for outbound. If someone hears a call center background, they would immediately put the phone off. They wouldn't interact with the agent at all. So I like keeping this off. and then I would not change any other settings over here, so I'll leave everything else like that. I will then just save. So functions is basically the tools that I spoke to you guys about, which I'm not going to be going through in this video. Over here with advanced, always make sure that you keep the audio recording on. So speaking plan, this I will leave. I'll turn this on. This is a must to turn on. I love doing this. Everything else I would definitely leave the same, besides for max duration over here, time callout. So this I will normally do plus minus 250 to 300. So let's leave it as that for now. And then this over here obviously gets done once I set up the make automation, which I won't be doing in this video. So this can be removed. We don't want anything over here. The only thing that we do want to keep would be the end of call report. This is obviously going to be sent to the customer as well as to the store. So over here, for the end call message, be goodbye. Let's change to a capital G, and everything else will stay the same. So yeah, we are publishing that. So moving over to the analysis, this is one of the most important parts as well. So we would add the prompt summary, which would be this over here. Let's move down over there, and then success evaluation. Let's take that back over, and then let's change this to pass fail. That stays the same, and then we have the structured data prompt as well. And then that's that. That will stay the same. Let's publish. And guys, that is the agent created. Obviously, there would be fine-tuning and stuff involved as well. However, I will be making a whole lot of more tutorials and videos on these type of agents, and obviously building more into more detail. Let's just give this agent a quick run. Let's see how it responds.
Hello, thank you for calling Amazon Active Customer Support. This is Samantha speaking. May I have your name, please?
Hi Samantha, this is Robin.
Hi Robin, how can I assist you today?
So guys, that is the voice agent for you. Yeah. So guys, that is the end of the video. That is the basic version or basic part of setting up the AI voice agent. And yeah, like I said, I am going to be creating 2 more videos with regards to the AI support agent for e-com stores. But yeah, so till the next video guys, if you like the video, if you like the content, please like, subscribe, and share this with your friends and family. You never know who might need a voice assistant or voice agent in the next couple of months. So guys, from me, I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.